For centuries, the stars were distant mysteries shimmering above us, inspiring myths and dreams. We gazed upward, wondering what secrets they held, and if we would ever reach beyond our own world. Today, that changes. Thanks to NASA's revolutionary Luvoir telescope, humanity now has its first detailed look at Proxima b, an Earth-sized planet orbiting our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri. This is a technological triumph, the result of decades of innovation and collaboration. This isn't just another discovery, it's a leap in our quest to understand the universe. People everywhere are looking up with renewed curiosity, united by the wonder of what lies beyond. The images and data are breathtaking, revealing a world that's no longer just a theory, but a place we can begin to know. For the first time, we can see the surface of a planet orbiting another star, its features illuminated by distant sunlight. Proxima b's revelations touch on the deepest questions. Are we alone in the universe? Could life exist elsewhere, perhaps even on this neighboring world? What is our place in the cosmos? How do we fit into this vast, mysterious expanse that stretches far beyond our home planet? Like explorers of old, we're charting new territory. Only now, our oceans are the void of space, and our ships are telescopes and spacecraft pushing the boundaries of the known. The findings about Proxima b are our first real map of an alien shore, hinting that a potentially habitable world exists right next door. It's a glimpse into a place that until now, lived only in our imagination. This is more than a scientific milestone. It's an invitation to wonder, to explore, and to dream bigger. It reminds us that the universe is full of possibilities, waiting for us to discover them. What we learn about Proxima b will shape our future, drive new technologies, and inspire generations. Young minds everywhere are now imagining themselves as the next explorers, scientists, and dreamers. We are living in a moment when the dreams of the past are becoming reality. The hopes of countless astronomers and visionaries are finally within reach. With Luvoir, we finally have the tools to listen to the universe's whispers, to decode the messages carried by light across unimaginable distances. The journey has just begun. As we set our sights on new worlds, we take our first steps into a future filled with discovery, hope, and endless wonder. To grasp the significance of Proxima b, let's get to know it. Proxima b orbits Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun, just 4.24 light-years away. Detected in 2016 by observing a subtle wobble in its star, Proxima b is about 1.2 times Earth's mass and orbits every 11.2 days. It sits in the habitable zone where liquid water could exist. But Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf, smaller, cooler, and prone to violent flares that threaten any nearby planet's atmosphere. This makes Proxima b both promising and perilous in the search for life. Its proximity makes it our best laboratory for studying an alien world. For years it was just a ghost in the data. Now, with new technology, Proxima b is becoming a real place, one we can finally begin to explore. The mystery is giving way to discovery. The star of this story is Luvoir, a next-generation space telescope. With a massive 15-meter mirror and advanced coronagraph, Luvoir can block out a star's glare to reveal faint planets like Proxima b. This technology lets us directly image Earth-sized worlds in habitable zones. In 2045, Luvoir spent weeks observing Proxima Centauri, collecting photons that traveled over 4 years to reach its mirror. Using spectroscopy, Luvoir broke down Proxima b's light to reveal the chemical fingerprints in its atmosphere. This marks a turning point. We're no longer just finding exoplanets, we're studying their climates and surfaces. Luvoir lets us ask, does this world have clouds, oceans, or even signs of life? The veil has been lifted. We're finally seeing the landscape of another world. The era of exoplanet characterization has begun. What has Luvoir revealed? The findings are revolutionary. Proxima b has a substantial atmosphere, a major surprise given its star's violent flares. This hints at a strong magnetic field shielding the planet like Earth's. Spectroscopy detected water vapor, essential for life in the atmosphere, along with carbon dioxide and hints of methane. These gases suggest active chemistry, possibly even biological processes. Luvoir's resolution allowed scientists to map surface features, revealing dark regions that could be oceans and bright areas that might be continents or ice caps. A glint of starlight hints at sunlight reflecting off an alien sea. Proxima b isn't an Earth twin, it's tidally locked with one side in perpetual day and the other in endless night. But a thick atmosphere could circulate heat, creating a temperate ring, a possible haven for life. we're seeing the first real signs of a dynamic, complex world. The Luvoir data has electrified the scientific community, sending ripples of excitement through research centers and observatories around the globe. Scientists everywhere are glued to their screens, analyzing the findings and debating their implications. Dr. Lena Petrova, Luvoir's lead exoplanet scientist, summed it up perfectly. "We dreamed of this day, now it's here." Her words echo the sense of awe and accomplishment felt by her colleagues, many of whom have dedicated their careers to the search for life beyond Earth. Experts like Professor Kenji Tanaka emphasize that the survival of Proxima B's atmosphere is a true game-changer. It challenges long-held assumptions and forces scientists to rethink what makes a planet habitable, especially around volatile red dwarf stars. Suddenly, the universe seems full of new possibilities. The discovery has sparked fresh hope and curiosity, but a sense of scientific caution remains. Dr. Samuel Adebayo reminds us that while water and methane are intriguing, they aren't definitive proof of life. These molecules can also be produced by geological processes, so we must be careful not to jump to conclusions. The next step is to model Proxima B's climate and geology in detail, testing whether these findings can be explained without invoking biology. Teams are already running simulations and comparing data to known planetary processes. Still, the mood is triumphant. Years of hard work and collaboration have led to this moment, and the sense of achievement is palpable. Luvoir's success validates decades of effort, innovation, and investment. The telescope's capabilities have exceeded expectations, opening new frontiers for exploration. For the first time, we have the technology to seriously address humanity's oldest and most profound questions. Are we alone? What else is out there? As Dr. Petrova said, "We built Luvoir to find a world like this. The work is just beginning, but today, we celebrate a giant leap for humankind." Her words inspire a new generation of scientists and dreamers. The search for life is a process, unfolding step by step, but hope has never been higher. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. The universe feels more crowded with possibilities than ever before, as if every star could harbor its own secrets. Today, we celebrate a new era of discovery. The journey continues, and the next chapter in our exploration of the universe is just beginning. This discovery's impact goes far beyond science. It will spark a new, hopefully collaborative space race and drive nations to invest in exploration. Technologies from Luvoir will spin off into countless applications on Earth, fueling new industries and jobs. The Proxima B effect will inspire a new generation to pursue science and engineering. Culturally, knowing a potentially habitable world is so close changes our perspective on Earth and our place in the cosmos. It can foster unity, creativity, and a renewed sense of wonder. International cooperation will be essential as we debate planetary protection and ethical exploration. The challenges are immense, but the rewards could redefine our future. To dig deeper into the search for life beyond Earth, we turn to Dr. Evelyn Reed, a leading expert in atmospheric biosignatures and exoplanetary science. Her groundbreaking research is helping to shape our understanding of what it means to find life elsewhere in the cosmos. Dr. Reed explains, "Luvoir has given us the first page of a chemical story, a glimpse into the atmospheres of distant worlds that was once unimaginable. We see water and carbon dioxide in the data. The stage is set for life as we know it, but these molecules alone aren't proof. They are only the beginning of the story, not the conclusion. The real search," Dr. Reed says, "is for chemical imbalance, signs that something is actively changing the atmosphere in ways that can't be explained by simple chemistry. Life disrupts equilibrium, pumping gases into the atmosphere that shouldn't naturally coexist. This disequilibrium is a potential fingerprint of biology at work. On Earth, for example, the simultaneous presence of oxygen and methane is a powerful signal of biology, since these gases would quickly react and disappear without constant replenishment by living organisms." Proxima B's hint of methane is intriguing, sparking excitement among scientists. However, Dr. Reed cautions that methane could also come from volcanoes or geological processes, so we must be careful not to jump to conclusions. The next step is clear. Longer Luvoir observations, searching for trace gases like nitrous oxide or dimethyl sulfide. These are considered stronger biosignatures as they are more difficult to produce without life. Dr. Reed also stresses the need to study Proxima Centauri's powerful flares, since some chemical signatures could be created by photochemistry, not life. Understanding the star's activity is crucial. The work is meticulous and demanding. studying both the planet and its star in detail to rule out false positives and ensure that any potential biosignature is truly biological in origin. In many ways, we're cosmic detectives, piecing together clues from light years away, and Proxima b is our most promising clue yet in the search for extraterrestrial life. The search for life is just beginning, and every discovery opens up new questions and possibilities. Every new observation, every data point brings us closer to an answer, closer to understanding our place in the universe. The universe is full of surprises, and the next breakthrough could be just one observation away. Proxima b is just the beginning. Its discovery proves we can study Earth-like worlds in detail, energizing the search for life on countless exoplanets. Next up, systems like TRAPPIST-1, with multiple Earth-sized planets in the habitable zone. Now that we know atmospheres can survive around red dwarfs, these worlds are even more compelling. Future observatories may one day image exoplanets in detail, revealing continents, oceans, and weather. Interstellar probes could visit Proxima Centauri within a human lifetime. The search for life is expanding, perhaps to icy moons or methane lakes. Each discovery adds a piece to the puzzle of our origins and our place in the cosmos. We live on a fragile island of life in a vast cosmic ocean. The revelations from Proxima b are more than data. They're a mirror reflecting our curiosity and drive to explore. This discovery connects us to the universe in a way never before possible. Let this moment inspire you. Look up, wonder, and support the pursuit of science. Space exploration isn't a distraction, it's a source of perspective and innovation. The story of the cosmos is our story. We are stardust, now awake and searching for our origins. To turn away from exploration is to turn away from ourselves. Let's keep building, questioning, and reaching for the stars. Proxima b is just the first step on a much longer journey. The future is written by those who dare to reach for the stars. Keep looking up.